Yeah, at the world it's not a plan. A franchise is choosing one. 10-star general. Back in action again. Better than before. Watch. Well, you don't know. Me's a man come out on the media and say a little thing and bless up Sizzla. Well then I don't see. I don't see say the man say my thing. Because what the man do right now and the upliftment of August Town, bless up Dada. Big respect. You know what I mean? Salute. You know what I mean? I wish if others could have followed. You know what I mean? Yeah man, I love that. And I want you blast out even more louder than that. That means the whole nation can follow. And the whole country can follow and take on to it. You understand me? So, respect again. Every time. You hear me? A straight love. Blessed love, my general. Bless up. Once again. 10-star bless up for Sizzla Kalonji. Alright now. Alkaline now. I'll tell you this, Alkaline. You see me? What I say now is nothing about fighting against you. No, nothing at all. Because you are one of the wickedest local dancehall artists you have right boy. No. Anywhere at all in the world, you are the wickedest local dancehall artist. You know what I mean? One of the wickedest. You know what I mean? But I'll tell you something. There are two things you can do in this world. If you not do the right thing or the wrong thing you do. And you don't have nothing we can indifference between to shade you from right or wrong. So you can't be a both tip on both sides. So if you're not right, you're wrong. You know what I mean? And I see you keep your show. And I see you have Sizzla, Beenie Man, Bounty Killer, Ninja Man them for your show. You can't do that, you. You can't do that, you know. That's like disrespect, you know. Because you see what going on in the country right now, you know. And you as a youth, you know, who are bust out in an entertainment thing right now. You don't have no reason for do that, because no matter where the man they do or they set in the past. You know see Junior Gang boat ride show. You never see say the man Beenie Man did in a beer thing and thing. And you know see the old man them patch it up and how Beenie Man shell what the man them show. And one of the wickedest performances them ever say. You know what I mean? Shell away. And a beer international people there. You let me tell you something, don't do that dog. You have to have the man them I represent on the show to prove what kind of youth you is too. You know what I mean? And show who you really are and bring you up and embrace you too. And you can push on further in the business because don't think you know everything. Them man they know all of the shortcut on the stage. Them man they career all on your age. Don't do that youth. A joke thing that I don't respect that way you do. You know what I mean? But that's some form of disrespect. The biggest entertainment there, them there in Jamaica from way back. You know what I mean? A long time I watch your man there. You know how long I watch Beenie Man? I watch Beenie Man long time from them I put him on box down on 9th Street. You know what I mean? When PMP I try to keep party and all kind of artists I can put the local youth on box the DJ. A long time I watch him. You know what I mean? You know how long I watch Killer? Eh? Mr. Man go way down a parade part way down at the bottom, just to Killer up the rock. We park up underneath Chapali. A long time I watch a man them. You know what I mean? You know how long I watch Sizzla? The biggest stage show Sizzla do. In his career, them time when him just a get up splash him do over EO circle and tear down that flat. And from Sizzla do that, you know, I tell you something, you know. And the most Rasta man you ever see. You know what I mean? And right now, you know, I'm going to left off of you know, Alkaline. But just want you know that way you do wrong. You know what I mean? And you have to embrace the man them. Likewise, the man them have to embrace you. Because we have to show love. You know what I mean? And that we have to do. We have to change the cycle of thing. You see this one I'm going to talk about now? You see this thing is to the promoter them in Jamaica. You see Uno and someone selector Uno and mash up the thing. I tell you that. And then, I love you listen, because this is your recipe. You're supposed to watch and replay over and over. All over the years when time dancehall, I broke out, I left from Similar, and Sting I left from Silliman and I go stadium and them place, then I herb the place. The biggest thing, you know. You have local artist competition clash against local artists. You have local DJ clash against local DJ, and you have local singer clash against local singer, you have big singer clash against big singer, and you have big DJ clash against big DJ. You see right now, we don't change all of that. We don't cut out the big artists them. And not bring in be a local youth. And the local youth them can't tear up the stage show like how the big artists them can do it. A joke thing that we have to merge the local youth them with the big artists and make them learn and see how big man deal with the stage. Make the big man them teach them the shortcut on the stage and how to deal with it and monetize. But nowadays, you have Sanchez, Pinterest, Courtney Melody, Luka John. The whole of them man that on the stage a clash. But before Ninja Man them and Beer Man come. You know what I mean? Now the thing change up. One to the culture artists them. Man not hear nothing about them. Who not help spoil the culture of Jamaica, you know. And everybody around them about them want to come to America. If you know America and a culture. You hear me? You have to know that. Because in 1787, when them said them free the slave from America, that's not necessarily true. Emancipation that them get. Because Abraham Lincoln freed the slave and hand them over to the state. So you have to know that black people are not talk yet. You have to know that black people can't get up and make decisions. You know what I mean? We Jamaica never that we go through a cutlass Paul Bogle them use and take off a white boy and with him gun in it. I'm have to run left the place, give the man them. We have culture. Why we are running from our culture and I spoil up the culture and want to take on other people thing? You know what I mean? We have culture when the man them need to bring back the culture artists them. The culture need to speak through the youth them, son. The youth them want to get up and them want to be slapped, them want to live like New York City. Them want all kind of Solomon Gomorrah business. Of them think that them want to rise up and not come like nobody not care. You know what I mean? And everybody just want to in the wind up tune, the kill tune, and them tune. They want to the culture artists, them brethren. And that's why the show them not disorganized because them not set professional. The show have a set professional upon the paper before it even present live to the public. You know what I mean? You need to have them artists there. Batman the business, you need to have singer clash against singer. You know what I mean? Culture artists that do them thing. Before you have DJ come down the place and thing. Because so the thing used to go. I would take it back to where it come from. You know what I mean? And stop running down them things where we see are going and want to be like other people. We have culture, them people are lost, them not have culture. You know what I mean? Every American, know them can't read and write properly. But certain shit, you have to tell them that because them can't see it coming. Them not see it coming and can't see something coming. It's have to happen first. And all when you tell them, they're going to prove it. A real thing, I tell you, we have culture, we know where we come from. You know what I mean? Stop straight the people and promote that. And I run go for the local youth, them gonna fuck up the thing. And then when the local youth have big money in him and him thinking bigger in the world. You never know a certain go. A certain go when time when you put a weapon of mass destruction in a fool and that's why beer shit happen. Tell you something, take back the thing together, you know. And set back the thing, you know. Then you know the thing go already, you know. Singer against singer, you know. DJ against DJ, you know. And you always have elderly artists, you know, from way back when. I come shell the place said way. Because remember John Holt and the whole of them man they used to come shell the place said way. And Cocotti and the whole of the man them. Stop act like we lost. You know what I mean? And bring back the country. You know what I mean? Because as I say, entertainer have the loudest voice. You know what I mean? I'm going to bring back a thing on the forefront because so the thing go. And the world, it's not a plan. A franchise to choose in one. 10-star General. Once again, 10-star Stallone to Sizzla Kalonji. Big up my General Bounty Kina. Being a man. You know the thing go, a long time thing. Blessed. Watch. General. Spin it round. Span family color. I go soon now again. Blessed love.
Oh,